Daniela.
Yeah, look.
Yay. Got it. Came out good.
Yeah, but she was looking the other way.
Awesome.
You gotta do it like real quick, otherwise.
Yeah, no, I know. I've learned with her because she moves so quickly.
Baby Ava.
You want to see the apple picking pics?
Yes, we're gonna go tomorrow.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Talking to her.
Oh, I don't care. That's what's happening. Aww.
You want to give her a kiss? You want to give her a kiss on the cheek?
So I found these 4 awesome boys' names, so we have to have 4 more kids.
Give her
and they have to be
4.
boys.
Give her a kiss, Daniela.
I'm okay with a big family.
4 more.
Give Ava a kiss on the cheek.
Oh, she's giving
Aw.
kisses.
Yeah, she's really cute.
Yeah, everything goes in the mouth. Everything, including our hands, our phones.